Good morning students. Today we are going to see a new topic, application on cardinality of sets. We already learned union, intersection, complement, difference. Today we are going to see about a practical problems. See this diagram. This diagram, the box is universal set, it is U. The first circle is A set and second circle is B set. Here this part only it is A difference B. This is common part, you know it is A intersection B, and then only B that is B difference A. For this topic we are having some formulas, that is if A and B are two finite sets, then the first formula is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A union B means number of element present in A union B. This is n of A, it is number of element in A set. Next one, n of B is number of element in B set. This one is number of element in A intersection B. Second formula, n of A difference B is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. Third, n of B minus A is equal to n of B minus n of A intersection B. Fourth, n of A complement is equal to n of U minus n of A. Example, from the Venn diagram, verify that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. We have to verify this formula. They given the Venn diagram. This is a Venn diagram. Okay. Here see that one, from that A element you should write. What is the A element? A is equal to, here A set what it is presented is 5, 10, 15, 20. That is here they written. Next B set it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Next one we should find A union B. A union B means join together and write it. So when you join together, write it, it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50. Next one is A intersection B is, this is the common part. So it is 10, 20. We want number of element present in each set. So n of A, how many element it is? Count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So n of A is equal to 4. Next one, n of B. N of B is how many element? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. N of A union B, how many element? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you should write 7. N of A intersection B is 2. Next one. Next we should verify that formula. Formula is what? N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So n of A union B is, you know it is 7. That is LHS side. You should mark that one as 1. Next one they taken that RHS side. RHS side is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A value is 4 plus n of B value is 5. Next minus n of A intersection B is 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. So this one RHS side is, you mark it as 2. From 1 and 2, it is both answers are equal, no? The formula is verified. You should write that formula. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Next example, if n of A is equal to 36, n of B is equal to 10, n of A union B is equal to 40, and n of A dash means complement is equal to 27. Find n of U and n of A intersection B. Here they given that A element how much it is, B, n of B they given, n of A union B, n of A complement also they given. We should find n of U and n of A intersection B. The given, you should write that one, that is n of A is 36, n of B is 10, n of A union B is 40, n of A complement is 27. We should find n of U. N of U is equal to formula you know. So n of A plus n of A complement is equal to n of A values they given in the question 36 plus n of a complement is they given us 27. So 36 plus 27 is 63. We got one answer. Second question is they asking is n of a intersection b. You know that formula, n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. In the formula, n of a union b, they given n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. This only they given in the formula. Here union they given means in this place intersection it will come. Here intersection is comes means a intersection b comes means here a union b it will come. So here n of a intersection b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b is equal to a value is 36 plus n of b value is 10 minus n of a union value is 40. 36 plus 10 is 46 minus 40 is equal to 6. Next example, let a is equal to b, d, e, g, h and b is equal to a, e, c, h. Verify that n of a difference b is equal to n of a minus n of a intersection b. Here we have to verify this formula. In the question they given us a set and b set. So given I am written this one a set and b set. Here when you see that question a difference b, first we should find a difference b. So a set, a difference b set. You know how to find this one. Cancel the common element. So remaining element present in that set is b, d, g. Now I am going to find how many element in a difference b. How many element? 1, 2, 3. That one we should write. Next n of a. How many element here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That you should write here. Next n of a intersection b. In the formula they are given us a intersection b. That one we should find. A value intersection b set. Intersection means common element. Common element is E, H. So how many element present in that A intersection B? 2. So number of element present in all the set we written. You should write that formula what they to verify. N of A difference B is equal to N of A minus N of A intersection B. N of A difference B is 3. So 3 you should write is equal to N of A is 5. 5 you should write minus N of A intersection B 2. So 3 is equal to 5 minus 2 was 3. Both the side it is same. Therefore, the formula is verified. In exercise 1.6, first question, we are having two questions there. The first question is homework for you. It is like a example problem. I will do the second question. If n of A is equal to 300, n of A union B is equal to 500, n of A intersection B is equal to 50 and n of B complement is equal to 350, find n of B and n of U. Solution, the given whatever they given in that question, that one I am written here. N of A union B, n of A intersection B, n of B complement. You know that formula is n of A intersection B. That one I am written this formula. N of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. A intersection B is how much the value is given in the question is 50 is equal to n of A value is 300 plus n of B we don't know, that is our question. So I am written as it is minus n of A union B is 500. 50 is equal to 300 minus 500 is minus 200 plus n of B. This minus 200 I am taking other side. It will come as plus 50 plus 200 is equal to n of B. 50 plus 200 is 250 is equal to n of B. Therefore, n of B value is 250. Next, I am going to find n of U is equal to n of B plus n of B complement is equal to n of B. Now only we find that one. It is 250 plus n of B complement is given in that question is it is 350. When you add, you will get 600. Second question. If U is equal to X such that X belongs to N, X less than or equal to 10, A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 8, 10 and B is equal to 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. Then verify that here also they given that formula it is N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. U set is they given as a set builder format, that one's converted into roster format. That is starting is n means natural number 1, end with 10 because less or equal to 10. So U value is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. A set directly they given, that one I am written. Next B set also directly they given, that one I am written. In the when you see the formula n of A, n of B we written. Next we should find n of A union B. Next we should find A intersection B. Now we should find A union B. A set union B set. Join together and write it. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. Next you should find A intersection B. A set intersection B set. Common element is 2, 8, 10. After that you should find number of element present in U set. You count and write, it is 10. Number of element present in A set, it is 5. Number of element present in B set, it is 5. Number of element present in A union B. That answer, you should count the element, how many element it is present, it is 7. N of A intersection B, you count and write that element is how many element, it is 3. After that you should verify the formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of A union B, it is 7, you should write, is equal to N of A 5 plus N of B 5 minus N of A intersection B 3. This side 7 is equal to 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. So both the side you are getting same answer. Therefore the formula it is verified. Third question, verify N of A union B union C. Here 3 sets are given is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C for the following set. Here they given the formula. They given us two questions. The first question is A set. A set is A, C, E, F, H. B set is C, D, E, F. And C set is A, B, C, F. In this problem, first we should find A union B union C. Next we should find A intersection B. Next B intersection C. Next find A intersection C. After that A intersection B intersection C. Then you should count the element in each set, that is number of element in each set. After that only we should verify the formula. Solution, A set I am written, B set, C set. First I am going to find A intersection B. So A set intersection B set. The common element is C, E, F. Next I am finding B intersection C. B set intersection C set. Here the common element is C, F. Next I am finding A intersection C is equal to A set intersection C set. In this common element is A, C, F. Next I am finding A intersection B intersection C. That is 3 element. What is that common? Okay. So A set intersection B set intersection C set. Among the 3 set, what is the common element of 3 set is? A C is present in all the set. So you should mark that C. Next common element is F. F is present in all the 3 set. So you should mark that F. Therefore, N of A intersection B intersection C answer is C, F. Next we should find A union B union C is equal to A set union B set union C set. Join together and write the element as 1 times. So what you will get A, C, D, E, F, B, H. After that you should find that number of element present in each set. Then only we can verify that formula. So N of A is how many element you count and write, it is 5. N of B, it is 4. N of C, 4 element is present. N of A intersection B, how many element? 3 element. N of B intersection C is 2. N of A intersection C is 3. N of A intersection B intersection C is 2 element is present. N of A union B union C is equal to 7. Now you should verify that given formula. N of A union B union C is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. We already written that number of elements present in each set. That one you should substitute here. So n of A union B union C is 7 is equal to n of A, you written now that value is 5 plus n of B value is 4 plus n of C value is 4 minus n of A intersection B value is 3 minus n of B intersection C value is 2 minus n of A intersection C value is 3 plus n of A intersection B intersection C value is 2. Now you should simplify this one. 7. You add that positive number 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2. It is 15. Here you add that negative value. It is minus 5 minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. So 7 is equal to 15 minus 8 is 7. Both the side you are getting same answer. Therefore hence it is verified. Thank you students.